Mayong gabi kanatong tanan. So in this video, I'm going to discuss, demonstrate on how we're going to install an operating system through using the virtual machine, or we call that one the Oracle VirtualBox. So discuss lang tagamay, what's the function of the Oracle VirtualBox and how is it important to a student or to assist a student, especially for the installation nga stage nila. Okay, so we can't deny one of the competency in computer system servicing is the for the CECU number one, install and configure computer system. We keep on installing and installing to our desktop or to our laptop. So para ma-preserve na to na para dili madaot ang atong hard drive, we need to use the Oracle VirtualBox for us to master the installation process through virtual, no? So the Oracle VirtualBox, you can download this one in the internet for free. And after downloading, you can install that one. And once you're done once you're done installing the Oracle VirtualBox, usually the icon will be displayed on the desktop. So that's it. Since I already installed the Oracle VirtualBox, so ako na lang i-double click it. So okay, so double click ko sa Oracle VirtualBox. So this is the environment now of the Oracle VirtualBox. We can say nga natay mga menus, and at the same time we also have the icons. No? So since we're talking about the installation, we need to create for the client first. So arita sa client at nay mo pop up. Ibutan na to na siya Windows 10 client. Windows 10 client. Then so in the since we're using the VirtualBox, we need to use the ISO image also for the particular nga operating system. Since we're using the Windows 10, so Windows 10 atong gamiton nga operating system. So since save na to ang akong ISO image ngadto sa local disk, ako lang ilocate lang ninyo. So Windows 10, then after that one open. Then the type niya is sakto siya Microsoft Windows, and the version you need to choose the Windows 10 nga 64-bit. Then after that one, you click finish. And for the second one is you're going to click new again. Then for the server, putani mo diri Windows 2016 server para sa server. Then the same also, hari ka sa other, then you're going to select the 2016 ISO image nga server. And same, sakto na siya ang version. Then check this one. Don't forget to check this one. Skip unattended installation. Okay, so the two operating system is now ready. All you have to do is, since we're talking about installation, ang sunod ani is the P2P man ta, or the peer-to-peer connection ta. Kitaon na to ang duha ka operating system. We need to check para i-prepare na to daan. Arito sa settings. Then narito sa network kay para mura jud tinuod gid ba nga mag P2P siya. At ito i-check na siya, i-change that one into internal network, and the allow all for the Prometheus mode. The same also sa 2016 at sa settings na network, then internal network, then allow all for the Prometheus mode. Okay, so we are now ready for the installation nga sa virtual, through virtual. So imong buhaton is ari ka sa start. So just wait nga mo pop up si Windows 10 ang ihang environment sa installation sa Windows 10 operating system. So ato lang nang i-X na siya. So just wait nga mo display ang Windows 10. Check na to kung okay ba siya, kampante ba siya nga maka-continue the installation. Okay? So setting up, check na to balik ato ibutang ning 2016 siguro 2010 nga operating system. So pwede to proceed na po ta sa 2016 nga kampante ka nga okay ra sila dunganon o install mo. Just click na po ka start sa 2016 nga operating system nimo. Okay? So again, so the Windows 10 client is ready for the installation. Para mapanindot ang imong display, you can use the scale mode both sa 2016 and the the Windows 10. Kung saan man siya pag scale mode, mo rin control C. Then i-move na siya dire for the ana. Then the same also for the Windows 10, control C for the scale mode. ana para makita na to ang iyahang porma. So mura po tag na-install og real nga computer ba nga nag-synchronize po kag installation. After that one is either asa ka mag-una, ari ba ka sa client or ari ba ka sa 2016. So in our part, ari ko mag-una sa Windows 10. So in the assessment, during the assessment, you are not going to create a partition during the installation. Tungod kay we cannot use we are not allowed to use calculator, cell phone during the assessment. So all you have to do is just continue installation without creating partition. So i-click next lang ani mo. So click next lang ka, install na lang siya dito. Then for the server, i-next lang sa nimo, then install now ka. So just wait until nga makita mo display na siya. So for the Windows 2016 server na mga confirm information nga iyahang pangayoon. So like for example this one to 2016 imong gamiton is the start experience, then i-next na siya nimo. Then I accept the license terms, then next na nimo. Then you have it here also, which do you want nga type of installation, ala ka sa custom. Then the same also, wala kay installation, wala I mean partition nga buhaton. Click next lang kana. Okay? Just wait nga antud nga mahuman siya up to 100% ang installation, no? Note lang kung during the installation, remind lang ko na during the installation, the real ba ka ha or the virtual ba ka, you're not going to abrupt nga kuhaon ni dito ang flash drive kay ma-error man na sa gihapon. Okay? So just wait until the installation will finish at 100%. So that's it. We'll just wait for the 100% of the installation. So restart na si Windows 2000 or the Windows 10. So if you're going to compare with the Windows 10 and the 2016, mas dali siya when it comes to the installation. Dali siya mahuman kay tungod kay gaan ra siya ang iyang system. So unlike with the Windows 2016, 50% pa siya, very happy na siya mahuman. Like getting ready na ang Windows 10 operating system. So we'll just wait. We're going to differentiate also the environment of the 2016 and the Windows 10 o si kalahian siya when it comes to security. For security, need ba na siya og kuan, need ba na siya og kanang password or dili, or kinahanglan bang okay ra dili or butangan gyud. So just wait kung just compare kung sa may tabuan ni. Okay, for the Windows 10, mara kong giingon nga lahi ang Windows 10. All you have to do is just give the name of the computer. So in the assessment, just write it here, client lang ibutang ninyo ana, client, or depende sa instruction of the during the assessment kung sa ipabutang sa client or the server. So for the sake lang ibutang to client lang ating ibutang. Then next, then the password, dili siya, optional siya ang Windows 10 nga passwordan. Then just wait for a while for the for some kuan pa-install pa niya. Then ani nga part, you're going to click the accept button lang ka para sa Then the Windows 16, ni-restart na siya. Ni-start na siya ang Windows 2016. Ready na siya. So we're going to compare unsay kalahian sa ilang environment when it comes to client and server, no? So sa Windows 10, nag-preparing na siya sa Windows. So Windows 2016, mapay pag-boot sa iyang uh, the logo sa 2016. So, we can compare now na. So, mo na kung gingon nga if you're going to install the operating system for the server, you have to make sure that it can cater also the needs of the, like for example, the specification na need ni 2016. For the client also, medyo lower na siya og the needs ng mga, like for example, for the RAM and also with the processor nga iyang dinid. Okay, so getting ready for the 2016 server, then getting ready na siya o sa kalahian din niya for the Windows 10. So, okay, so the Windows 10 is ready display the Windows environment. This is the Windows 10 environment na display na niya. Na siya mga icons na ready na for the P2P na. Okay? So for the Windows 2016 server, medyo dugay-dugay good siya if you're going to compare with the Windows 10 na. Kay as I said a while ago, taas yun na siya o dagan siya kan. Okay, muna kong giingon, for the 2016, you cannot proceed the installation kung without uh, putting the password or inserting the password. So, mga na siyang password o ang para maka-continue ka. No? So, in our case, butangan lang nato siya o CSS. Trying to be CSS at 123. Check lang to through this one. Okay. Then CSS at 123. Then finish lang nato siya. So that's it. So the Windows 2016 is already ready for the kuan. So try to check kung okay ba na siya. So para mapa-display po nato na siya, maka-control alt delete wala man di man maka-control alt delete ana. So all you do control C ka, then ari ka sa input keyboard, then control alt delete. Then ibalik na po nato control C kay para naka-skill mode siya. So just type here CSS at 123. So that's it. So magka-display na siya. Ready na ang Windows 10, ready na ang 2016. So that's mean to say, ready na for the next competency, which is the peer-to-peer connection. Okay, the installation is done, ready na for the peer-to-peer connection. Okay, so that's all and thank you for watching.